Exercise 12.2. Question number 1 is a park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD has angle C equal to 90 degrees. AB equal to 9 meter, BC equal to 12 meter, CD 5 meter and AD equal to 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? This is the question. There is a park ABCD in the shape of a quadrilateral. 4 sides are given and we have to find out area of this park. How much area does this quadrilateral shape park ABCD occupy? Look at this figure. In this figure, ABCD is going to denote a park ABCD with the lengths AB, BC, CD and AD as 9 meter, 12 meter, 5 meter and 8 meter. Heron's formula is used to find area of a triangle, and here park ABCD is in the shape of a quadrilateral. Can we find any of the two diagonals of this quadrilateral shaped park? See, angle C is given 90 degree. So if you join BD, diagonal BD of this quadrilateral shaped park, using Pythagoras theorem we can find length of the diagonal BD. So first let us write sides of this quadrilateral shaped park. AB given 9 meter, side BC given 12 meter, CD given 5 meter and AD given 8 meter. Angle C is given 90 degree. So therefore length of BD we can calculate using Pythagoras theorem. So BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. That means BD is equal to under root 12 square plus 5 square, which is equal to 144 plus 25, 169 and square root is 13 meter. So diagonal BD we have got 13 meter and diagonal BD divides the park into two triangular parts. As angle C is 90 degree, we can find area of triangular part of the park BCD directly by applying half into base into height, taking BC as base and CD as height. So we can calculate area of triangle. Let me write. Actually it is not triangle but it is triangular part of the park, but here I am writing area of triangle BCD is equal to half into base BC into altitude CD. This is equal to half into base 12 meter into altitude 5 meter. 2 6 ja 12, 6 5 ja 30. So area of triangular part of the park BCD is equal to 30 meter square. Now we have to find area of triangular part of the park ABD using Heron's formula, because AB, BD and AD they are different sides. So let us find area of triangle ABD, and for this area of triangle ABD as we are going to apply Heron's formula for this triangular portion of the park ABD, we need semi-perimeter S. Sides AB 9 meter, BD we have calculated 13 meter, and AD is already given 8 meter. So semi-perimeter S is equal to 9 plus 13 plus 8 divided by 2. 9 plus 8, 17 plus 13, 30 by 2, it is 15 meter. So for a calculation of area of triangular part of the park, actually semi perimeter we have got 15 meter. Therefore area of triangle ABD equal to under root Heron's formula. Let's apply directly here. S means 15 into 15 minus 9 into 15 minus 13 into 15 minus 8, which is equal to under root 15 into 15 minus 9, 6, into 15 minus 13, 2, into 15 minus 8, 7. This is equal to under root 15 we are going to write 3 into 5, 6, 3 into 2. So 3 into 5 into 6, let's write 3 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 2 into 7. See, 3 into 3 is square root is 3. 5 into 5 is alone, so 2 into 2 is square root is 2 into under root 5 into 7, 35. So this is equal to 3 into 2, 6 under root 35 meter square, area of triangular part of the park ABD. If we will put this value of under root 35, which is 5.92, approximate value of under root 35, so it will be 6 into 5.9, actually it is 5.916, so let us write 5.92, which is an approximate value up to 2 places of decimal of under root 35. So this is equal to 35.52 meter square. If you round it up to 1 place of decimal, it is 35.5 meter square, and this is an approximate value. Let's not write it here. So this area of triangular part ABD of the park we have got 35.52 meter square, and area of this triangular part BCD we have got 30 meter square. So therefore we can find area of the park in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangular part of the park BCD, which is 30 meter square, plus this triangular part of the park ABD 35.52 meter square. This is equal to 65.52 meter square. Further we can round it up to one place of decimal and we can write 65.5 meter square, and this is an approximate value, so here we need to write approx, and this is area of the park in quadrilateral shape, and this is the answer. Question number 2 is find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equal to 3 centimeter, BC 4 centimeter, CD 4 centimeter, DA 5 centimeter and AC is equal to 5 centimeter. Look at this figure. ABCD is a quadrilateral and we are going to find out area of this quadrilateral. But again, Heron's formula we can apply in a triangle to find its area. This quadrilateral is given with 4 sides and 1 diagonal AC. If you look at a length of the diagonal AC also given, so we can find out area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ACD separately, and by adding areas of triangle ABC and ACD we can find area of quadrilateral ABCD. But if you look at sides AB, BC and diagonal AC, their lengths are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. This 3, 4, 5 they form a Pythagorean triplet, and therefore we can say that angle B is a right angle. So when angle B is right angle, that means triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, and calculation of area of triangle ABC becomes very easy. Directly we can calculate applying half into base into height. So let's write lengths of the sides. AB given 3 centimeter, BC 4 centimeter, CD also 4 centimeter, DA 5 centimeter, diagonal AC also 5 centimeter. Here we can see 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. That means 3, 4, 5 form a Pythagorean triplet, and therefore angle B is 90 degrees. When angle B is 90 degree, then triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, right angled at B. We have to find area of this quadrilateral. To find its area, we need to calculate area of triangle ABC and also area of triangle ACD. So let's find area of triangle ABC. As this angle B we have concluded to be a right angle, therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base BC into altitude AB, which is half into 4 centimeter into 3 centimeter equal to 6 centimeter square. Area of triangle ABC we have determined. Now let's see triangle ACD. AC 5, CD 4 and AD also 5. So triangle ACD is an isosceles triangle. To find its area, now we are going to apply Heron's formula. So to find area of triangle ACD, let's use Heron's formula. To use Heron's formula, first we have to calculate semi perimeter, which is 5 plus 5 plus 4 by 2. A plus B plus C. Perimeter divided by 2, so it is 14 by 2, which is 7 centimeter, semi perimeter. Therefore, area of triangle ACD is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So S is 7 into S minus A, 7 minus 5 into 7 minus 5 S minus B into 7 minus 4 S minus C. Sides are 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter of triangle ACD. So this is equal to under root 7 into 7 minus 5, 2 into 2 into 7 minus 4, 3. And this is equal to, here 2 into 2 is a perfect square, so let's take it square root, it is 2. 2 into 7 into 3, 21. So 2 into under root 21 centimeter square. If we put value of under root 21, this will be equal to 2 into 4.58. 4.58 we are writing in place of under root 21, and approximate value of under root 21 up to 2 places of decimal. This is equal to 2 8 ja 16, 2 5 ja 10, 11, 2 4 ja 8, 1 9. So 9.16 centimeter square area of triangle ACD. Therefore, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC 6 centimeter square plus area of triangle ACD 9.16 centimeter square. This is equal to 9 plus 6 15.16 centimeter square. Further, if we round it up to one place of decimal, it is 15.2 centimeter square, and this is an approximate value, so let's write approx. So area of quadrilateral ABCD we have found 15.2 centimeter square approx, and this is the answer. Now let's see question number 4. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and same area. If the sides of a triangle are 26 centimeter, 28 and 30 centimeter, and the parallelogram is stands on the base 28 centimeter, find the height of the parallelogram. In this question, a triangle and a parallelogram, they are on the same base and they have equal area. Three sides of the triangle are given. It is also mentioned that parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeter, and under this condition we are going to find out height of the parallelogram. If we can manage to get area of parallelogram, then using base into height equal to area of parallelogram, that is height of the parallelogram is equal to area divided by base, we can get the height of the parallelogram. But in this question it is mentioned given that area of the parallelogram is equal to area of the triangle. Look at this figure. ABCD is parallelogram, PBC is the triangle on the same base BC. Area of triangle is given equal to area of the parallelogram, and we have to find height of the parallelogram. So let's first calculate area of triangle PBC of three sides 26, 28 and 30 centimeter using Heron's formula. So for area of triangle PBC, sides of the triangle PBC are 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter, I mean B. Second side we can write B is equal to 28 centimeter, and third side C we can write equal to 30 centimeter. Let us first calculate semi-perimeter in order to apply Heron's formula for calculating area of triangle PBC. So semi-perimeter S is equal to perimeter sum of three sides 26 plus 28 plus 30 divided by 2, which is equal to 84 divided by 2, 42 centimeter. Semi-perimeter of triangle PBC, which is on the same base of parallelogram ABCD. Therefore, area of triangle PBC is equal to, now let's write Heron's formula, which is under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S semi-perimeter 42 into 42 minus 26 into 42 minus 28 into 42 minus 30. This is equal to under root 42 into 42 minus 26, 16 into 14 into 12. 42, let's write here is a 14. 42 we can write 3 into 14. This 16 is already perfect square number. This 12 we can write 3 into 4. This is equal to 3 into 3 square root 3, 14 into this is 4, here is 14 actually, 114 is missing, so it is 14 into 3 into 4. So 14 into 14 is square root 14, square root of this 16 is 4 into 4 is already perfect square number. So 2 into 4 8, 8 into 3 24 into 14 336 centimeter square, and this is area of triangle PBC. Therefore, as it is given in the question that area of triangle and area of parallelogram are equal, so area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of triangle PBC, area of triangle PBC, which we have calculated 336 centimeter square. Area of parallelogram, we know it is base into height. So we can write base into height is equal to area of parallelogram 336 centimeter square. Base is 28, base of the parallelogram and base of the triangle both are same, and that is BC, which is 28 centimeter. So base of the parallelogram is 28 centimeter. So therefore height of parallelogram is equal to area 336 divided by this base. So 336 by 28. If we divide 336 by 28, we get 12 centimeter, and this is height of the parallelogram. Question number 5. A rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, then how much area of the grass field will each cow be getting? This is the question, and in this question grass field is in the shape of a rhombus. 4 equal sides given 30 meter and one of its longer diagonal is given 48 meter. Total there are 18 cows to graze in the grass field. We have to find how much area of grass field is available for each cow to graze. How much area of the grass field will each cow be getting? Look at this figure. ABCD is a rhombus shaped grass field. AC is diagonal. As grass field is in the shape of a rhombus and AC is diagonal, diagonal AC divides the rhombus shaped field into two triangular parts which are equal in area, because rhombus actually is a parallelogram, and diagonals of a parallelogram divide it into two triangles of equal area. So that's why here ABCD is shape of rhombus. AC is diagonal, so diagonal AC divides the rhombus shaped grass field into two triangular parts ABC and ADC having equal areas. That means area of triangular part of this grass field ABC is equal to area of triangular part of the grass field ADC. If we can find out area of triangle ABC, then area of the grass field will be double the area of triangle ABC. So let's find area of triangle ABC first, doubling which we can find area of rhombus shaped grass field ABCD. So all four sides are given equal as field is in the shape of a rhombus. It is 30 meter and longer diagonal AC is given 48 meter. So let's first find area of triangle ABC, which will be equal to area of triangle ADC. To find area of triangle ABC, let us first find semi-perimeter of triangle ABC, that is 30 plus 30 plus 48 perimeter divided by 2, 108 by 2 is equal to 54 meter. Semi-perimeter of triangle ABC. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to under root, we are going to use Heron's formula, S 54 into S minus A, 54 minus 30 into S minus B, 54 minus 30 into S minus C, 54 minus 48. This is equal to under root 54 into 24 into 24 into 54 minus 48, 6, which is equal to this 24 into 24 itself perfect square, no need to change it. 54 we can write 9 into 6, 9 perfect square, 6 into 6 another pair of perfect square number, easily we can find out square root. So 9 into 6 into 24 into 24 into 6, this is equal to 9 square root 3 into 24 into 6 into 6 square root 6, and it is equal to 432 meter square. This is area of triangle ABC, half part of rhombus shaped grass field ABCD. Therefore, area of grass field ABCD is equal to 2 into area of triangle ABC, and this is equal to 2 into 432 meter square equal to 864 meter square. So area of grass field we have determined 864 meter square. There are total 18 cows to graze in the field. Now we have to find how much area of this grass field will each cow be getting. So area of grass field for each cow to graze equal to area of the field, grass field 864 meter square divided by 18. This is equal to 48 meter square. So this is the required area that of the grass field that each cow will get. So this is the answer.